Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Solve for the value of x given this equation. 1 plus 1 over x raised to x plus 1 equals quantity 1 plus 1 over 2022 raised to 2022. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. We have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now, let's answer this question together. Our goal in this question is to solve for the value of x. Notice on our given, the only problem that we have is these terms. So we have x and this is raised to x plus 1. And on the right hand side, we have 2022 raised to 2022. Now, if the exponent on the right hand side is just 2022, then we're done immediately. But the thing is, this is x and this is x plus 1. So, what we're going to do is to make the left hand side be equal to 1 plus 1 over an expression raised to the same expression. So, that's our plan. Now, to achieve our goal, what we're going to do is to replace this 1 with x over x. Now, x divided by x is just 1. Since we have the same denominator, we can now add x over x and 1 over x. This will give us x plus 1 over x. Now, take note of this loss of exponent. If we have b raised to n, it is equivalent to the reciprocal of the base 1 over b raised to the negative of the exponent, which is negative n. Now, on the left-hand side of our equation, we can say that x plus 1 over x raised to x plus 1 is equivalent to x over x plus 1 raised to negative of x plus 1. Now, at this point, what we're going to do is to make 1 in our expression. So, we need to add 1 and subtract 1 on the numerator like this. And then, we need to separate x plus 1 and negative 1. So, we have x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Now, we know x plus 1 over x plus 1 is just 1. So, we have now 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 raised to negative x plus 1. Now, we have addition on the right-hand side. Therefore, we need to force this negative sign becomes a positive sign. So, what we're going to do is to recall this property. If we have a minus b, it is equivalent to a plus negative b. Therefore, 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 can be written as 1 plus negative of 1 over x plus 1. Now, another thing to remember is if we have negative a over b, it is equivalent to negative a over b or a over negative b. So we will choose the last one. Therefore, negative 1 over x plus 1 can be written as 1 over negative x plus 1. Now, as you can see, on the left-hand side, we have now 1 plus 1 over that expression raised to the same expression. Therefore, we can say that negative x plus 1 is equivalent to 2022. Now, let's solve for the value of x. Let's multiply both sides by negative 1. So, we have x plus 1 equals negative 2022. Now, subtract 1 on both sides. This will give us the value of x equals negative 2023. Therefore, the value of x in this equation, 1 plus 1 over x raised to x plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 over 2022 raised to 2022 is just negative 2023. And as always, we are done.